In this video, I'm going to show you how to add maps or mind maps to Miro board. Now first, you have to have a Miro board, okay? Now you have to log into Miro and you'll be able to get this instantly. Now, then the way you do this is by clicking this plus icon here on the left, which says More Apps. Press it, and up here, you want to look for Mind Map. Okay, simply search it in, and as you can see under apps, the first thing that pops up is a mind map. You simply want to press this, and it will give you an option of 7 different mind maps you can import inside this board. Now you can choose one you like, so it doesn't really matter. Depending on your needs, you can pick the one that suits you best. For me, it's going to be this one right now. You want to hover over it and press Add to Board. And just like that, you've successfully added a mind map to your Miro board. You can then customize it as much as you want and then use it for your own needs. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.